Hi guys, it's Steve from Robo-Tek here. Today I just want to showcase the new floating head for the Robo-Rover. As we can see, it's a whole new design, and one of the special features on this one is that we've got a charging port at the top here, so that's really super convenient. A couple of other features that we've got on here now is we've got a dedicated climb light, so this will come on when it's in the climbing mode. We've got a service light, so that will pop up when we've got a service that's due. And obviously we've got this big red button in the middle to turn it on. So we'll just press that down now and on it comes. So it will show us initially the amount of charge left in the battery. If this was fully charged, it'd go right around to 2 hours, but it's not completely charged. Now, using our remote control, we can select the time cycle that we want. So in this case, we've got half hour, or we could choose 1 hour. This battery's not fully charged, so it wouldn't run for 2 hours, but you could select it and it'll just stop when it's finished. But anyway, so in this case, we'll select half an hour. That will flash for a little while, and then it will show you how much battery charge is left on the unit. So we'll just let it do that. So there you go, we've got 1 hour, but we know it's going to run for half hour. It's not in the climbing mode because that's not lit up. It's not due for service because that's not lit up. Now to turn it off, we're going to hold the button down in the center. It'll beep a few times and we'll hear a distinct click, which means that it's switching off. If you don't hear that, the lights will just come back on again. So I'll do it once incorrectly, then I'll show you how to do it properly. So push it down, the lights go off, but there wasn't any click. So I'm going to hold it down for a little bit longer than that. Click, and now it's off. And that's all there is to it. Any questions, obviously, give us a call at Robo-Tek International, or go to our website, Robo-Tek, robo with a hyphen, tek.com.au. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.